Hello and welcome. Today today is the third video of our three-part tutorial series where we are going to build a Christmas teardrop earring like this one, which is available for free from my design bundle store. If you can go to their free design section, and there you will find these earrings. So in the first part of our series we built a snowflake, which is here, and on the second part we build a teardrop shape, which is this one. And today, it's the last part of this series, we are finally going to assemble our Christmas teardrop earring, and we are going to make an earring like this one. You can make a pendant where there are several applications of this design, but this is something like this we are going to make. So now let's assemble our earring. I'm going to go to my snowflake first, unlock, copy the design, Control C, make it disappear, and lock the layer again, and use the I to bring this layer up, and Control V, select the layer and Control V. The snowflake is here. Now I'm going to reduce the size of the snowflake to this part and bring it onto the earring. Here you can see we built this earring shape in our previous videos. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to copy everything. So if I destroy it during this experiment, then I will always have my safe copy. So always keep a safe copy, like just Control C and Control V, copy and paste. You will be happy when you will destroy it and you will have your safe copy. It will make your life easy. So simply by looking at this design, I'm going to punch a snowflake onto this green part of the earring, on the smaller part of the earring. Let's do that. So first of all, I want to show what I have on this layer. Go to layers, layer menu from this part of the Illustrator, and you can see we bring everything to the top. So I'm just going to use Control X, cut, Control F, put everything in the front. So you can see everything now is in the front, and I'm just going to make other things disappear and locked. So I only work on these three files. These are highlighted, 1 2 3. These are three parts, so these are the ones we will work on. Control Z, it goes again where it came from. And now I'm going to put this snowflake here and reduce the size. Here you go, and bring everything into the middle of the artboard like this. I'll just increase the size little bit, not much, because we want ample material around this size. And I'm just for a minute hide this part. Now we are only going to concentrate in this small part. So I am going to select both of those, align right in the center. Now I know that these two are objects which are properly built because they are compound paths, and this snowflake is also a compound path, so it won't have any problem. So now I'm going to select both of those and use from Pathfinder, I'm going to choose minus front, which will punch a hole through this design. Now we can delete this extra part, ungroup and delete. Here you go, your beautiful snowflake is punched through this design. Now you can see this is one path and one compound shape, and and I will make it like Christmas red. Here you go, your design is complete. Now we are going to test this design on the Cricut design space. So we know when I'm going to put this in my shop or anywhere else, the customer will have the best experience. Our design is ready. Now, as I said, we are going to test this design on a Cricut design space. On Cricut design space, so we are going to open new project. So you can see here we can test this design. First of all, how to save this earring as an SVG. So what I do usually, I first of all never save anything from my working file, never, because there are so many details. I will go to File, New. I will choose a 3x3" file, keep the other settings same, and now I can see here Control R, which will bring up the ruler, that this is a 3x3" brand new file with nothing on it. So first I'm going to select the smaller part of my earring, Control C, Control F, or Control V, Control Z maybe, and bring this right in the middle of the artboard. The only thing I have on this document is this tiny earring. So what I'm going to do is going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to select my desktop and select SVG, and I can save part-1 and just save it like this. Save. I'm going to change nothing. Then again I'm going to delete this, make sure that no part is left, the layer is clean. Now I'm going to select the red part, which is this one, Control C and Control V, copy and paste, align it to the center of the artboard, this tiny 3x3" artboard, and inspect that this is the only thing you have in this compound, in this layer. So this is good to go. File, Save As, SVG, and we saved it as part-1, and this one we can save it as part-2 and save. Okay, change nothing and save. Now I will go to Cricut design space. I will use upload. It will go to Cricut design space, and I'm going to just separate them and inspect how they are. So you can see I can just change the color. I will just change the color so you can see properly. If I increase the size, you can see how good these cut lines are, how nice. Now these are earrings, and I can, if I push make it will cut properly. You can see the cut lines, they are so nice and clean. So this is how I test my designs, and this design is now ready to go. Here you go. So again, the similar design is available for free from designbundle.net, free in free design section. So you can download this design and experiment with that and enjoy making Christmas earrings. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.